Okay, this is for the sparring, kickboxing, and striking section of level 1.3 for beginners working in their first year for dynamic edge martial arts, path to black belt. So this particular set is the traditional version or the classical version of the sparring set, and we can do it a couple different ways. For every strike that's close hand in this, for a punch, it can also be a palm strike or a finger jab. Instead of a back knuckle, you could do a hand sword, or you could do a hammer fist, or an outward heel of palm strike, or a finger whip. So you can change these. It's a base for the angles, and then we want to be able to do all our strikes to improve our natural weapons by hitting something, working on focus mitts or shields, and then we also want to do this with a partner so that we're also working the counters and the defense for all these basic moves. Now, these are built off of the first three basic Kempo sparring techniques, so we got to have those down. We use these for dirty boxing and kind of mix it in with our kickboxing. So it looks like this: grab and punch. This is 1A, A for above, and again, this can be a vertical punch, a palm thrust, a finger jab, a thumb jab, even a finger whip. We've got B, B for body, extending to the ribs, so we're canceling the width zone, leaning in and punching to the ribs. And then the C is for circle, so we counter grab, we shoot the ridge hand off angle, let it whip to the back of the head. That's illegal even in karate tournaments, so we want to hit the side of the neck or side of the head. So a lot of times we'll do a heel palm, a hand sword, inward hammer, even an elbow, or if this is more boxing style, a hook punch. So as long as it has that circle. So again, the traditional 1A, vertical snap punch, inverted horizontal snap punch, and then the ridge hand, also known as the reverse inward hand sword. That's your classic 1A, 1B, 1C. Now when we put similar movements in the set, we've got 3 strikes off the front hand, 3 strikes off the back hand. That's going to look like this. We're going to come to attention. Let's do it formally. Attention, bow, ready, left neutral bow, get your guard up, elbows in, vertical snap punch, outward back knuckle, inward reverse hand sword, vertical, inverted horizontal snap, inward reverse. And then we're going to switch sides. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And that's how you do it formally. When you do it a little bit faster, it'll have some flow to it. So you come to attention, ready, step back, a little more breathing, a little more pizzazz. And again, you want to practice that both right and left side, but hopefully this will give you enough of a guideline to help you practice for your next test. Get these strikes down to where you can actually hit things with them, practice doing them open hand and closed hand, work them on pads, work them with partners, and you'll get a lot better at doing this freestyle and spontaneous sparring drills and exercises that we do later on.